Welcome back everyone to a new video on how to fix. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Credit One Bank login not working. If you're trying to log into the online banking of Credit One and you're not being able to log into your account, let me show you a couple of fixes that you can try out. So first things first, head over to the website of creditonebank.com. Now the main problem is if you're not being able to log into your account, maybe it's because you have the credentials entered wrong. So maybe your username is incorrect or maybe even your password is incorrect. If you have any doubts with it, you can just click on forgot username or password. And through this section, you can fill in these details such as your social security number, your credit card number, your good through date, which you've entered, and your security code. So by entering all of these details, you'll be able to retrieve your username as well as your password. So once that is sorted, you can type in your username and password, and this time you'll be able to log in successfully. If that is not the case for you, sometimes there may be a bug which may be causing that issue. So the thing that you can do in this case is just click on the three dots that you see on the top right of your web browser, hover over history and then click on history. Through this section on the left side, you'll see clear browsing data. We're gonna clear the cache and the cookies because sometimes cookies or cache files may be the cause of these issues. So on the time range, you can just select 7 days, or you can even select higher and make sure that cookies and other site data and cached images and files are selected, and you can just click on clear data. Once that has been cleared, you can once clear off or close your tab and again reopen it and try logging in. Now even if you do these couple of steps and you still can't log in, the only reason left that you are having this issue is because the Credit One Bank themselves are having an issue right now. If that is the case, the only thing that you can do is wait out a couple of hours before you log in again. Their servers may be having a problem, so that's the reason you're not being able to log in. So what I suggest you to do is wait out a couple of hours and you should be able to log into your account. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be soon back with more fix videos. Until then, keep watching.